What's up guys, Trev here. Today I will be showing off the newest arrival from Hot Wheels, RLC. This is the 1959 Chevy Brookwood. I say arrival and not release because pretty much every RLC drop from Hot Wheels lately has been delayed in some capacity, including the Chevy Brookwood. It actually shipped out and arrived to me while I was out of town, so I'm just now getting to open this up and take a look at it. But these Brookwoods are finally shipping. I don't know if they're still available. I think they are. But here we go. Here's the outer box. Some nice art there. Definitely has a 50s vibe to it. There's a render of the car there. There's the name of it. There's all that literature if you want to read. Maybe find some typos in there maybe. There's the bottom of the base. These are not numbered. RLC models have not been numbered in forever. I like the packaging though. It is quite nice. And here is the car inside. We're going to take a look at it. See how easy it is to take out of the acrylic case. Not hard at all. Quite easy. Sometimes these acrylic cases give me a bit of trouble, but that is not the case. All right. I'm going to unscrew it. So this is a brand new casting for the Hot Wheels RLC. It's brand new, and I'm having a bit of a hard time unscrewing it. Come on. What is going on? What? I don't want to strip the head. Let me try this one. Okay, this one wants to unscrew. That one doesn't. We might have a bit of an issue here, but we'll see. Okay, so this one goes by the front. I'm gonna try and unscrew this. But this is as I was saying, this is a brand new casting for Hot Wheels RLC. It's the first release of it. I don't know if we'll see any other versions, but this is the first one. And yeah, let me see if I can. What is going on with this screw? I don't want to like damage the car, but like what is happening here? It's not. I know the screwdriver's a bit big, but this usually don't give me this much trouble. I think I got it. I think I got it. I have to really push. I got it. Okay, there we go. It's starting to spin. This thing is giving me a lot of resistance though. Come on. This is very uncomfortable. Here we go. All right. Long unscrewing session aside, I was trying to yap during that. It's just the screw was giving me a lot of trouble, but got it off. We're going to take a look at the model now. So I got the graphics here. This isn't a Spectraflame, kind of a blue color. Quite nice. You have the these kind of steely rims on it, kind of a deep dish with a white wall. Looks nice. The striping on the side looks quite nice. It says Brookwood there on the back. Very nice model. Interior is actually pretty well detailed in there. You can actually see the seats are a two-tone. Get my camera in there. Or try to. It's a bit hard. It's not, doesn't really want to focus. There you go. So how detailed is the steering wheel? The steering wheel looks like it has some printing on there too. Some silver detailing in there. You can see. It looks like the gauges might even be detailed in there too. And the pedals, the gas and the brake pedal are detailed. You can see how they're actually black in there. I'm trying to get a good shot, but there you go. That's a good shot of the interior. The striping's pretty nice on the side too. Here's the back silver base. The bumper there, which is a part of the base. Long roof on the license plate. You have the rear taillights detailed there, all the silver trim you need. You have some trim around the windows as well. Here's the front, got the headlights detailed, all that detailing. Are the seats pink? Or are they white? Or is it just that's the way it looks through the windshield? I think it's white. Looks almost like it has a pinkish tinge when looking at it like this. I really like the striping. The striping's quite nice on this. The Spectra Flame paint is really nice too. I'm gonna wipe this down before I put it back onto the base, just to so it's nice and clean. But this casting does have opening parts, so it does have a couple opening parts. I believe the hood, yes, hood opens. It's actually a nicely detailed engine in there too. Everything you need. It doesn't look blobby. It looks actually quite good. Shuts nicely. Somewhat of a large gap right there, but it's not sticking up. It looks fine. Now the other feature is that this thing has the tailgate actually comes down, so you can see some detail in there. The back of the door is detailed. You can look on the inside of the interior of the back. See all that going on in there, and then this comes back up, and it actually locks into place pretty nicely. It doesn't protrude or stick out. And that is the Chevy Brookwood. I actually like this. This is a really cool, just old school wagon. It looks really nice. And it feels like very much feels like a classic sort of Hot Wheel car. It's definitely just a classic old school Hot Wheel car, and it's really nice. You know, a lot of people may complain there's too much JDM or Euro or whatever. This is just a straight up old wagon, old American wagon, and this thing looks nice. The casting's great, the execution's great, the color is great. I love everything about it. The white wall tires, the wheels. This thing is sweet. And that's the Brookwood. They're finally shipping for those who have bought it. I think you may be able to still get it. I don't think it's sold out yet, but it's very nice. It's a very nice release. I'm a big fan of it. And yeah, this is just an awesome wagon, and it looks really nice. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.